Hi everyone, it's Mr. Wesley again. This week we're going to be doing another science experiment and we're going to get to mix a couple of different substances together and we're going to get to see a reaction out of them. Here's what you're going to need for this week's experiment.
Liquid food coloring. I suggest having 2 for this experiment. 1 cup. A Q-tip. You could also try using a toothpick if you don't have a Q-tip.
I'm going to be using cow's milk for this experiment, but you can also use plant-based milk.
Dishwashing liquid. Now we can begin our experiment. First, we're going to pour the milk into the cup. Now we're going to go ahead and take some of our food coloring and add it into our cup of milk. Now we're going to get our Q-tip out and we're going to put it into the milk. And if you see, nothing happens. Why do you think nothing happened in our first attempt? That's because we didn't have the dish soap. So now we're going to get that on our Q-tip, and then we're going to mix it with the milk and food coloring, and we'll get to see the reaction. A reaction occurs between the dish soap and the milk, and the food coloring allows us to see it.
The actual reaction is taking place between the proteins that are in the milk and our soap, and the food coloring is letting us see this reaction occur because without it, we wouldn't see the movement. That's all we have for this week, and if you want, you can post your pictures down below of what your reactions looked like, and see you next week.